Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. I did want to stop and mention that we have crossed the 100 subscriber line. So thank you all so much. Without your support, we wouldn't have been able to achieve this. So thanks to you all, we have officially crossed the 100 subscriber line. My next goal will be reaching 200 subscribers. With your guys' support, I'm sure we will be able to achieve this. So yeah, thank you all so much. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about swing trading. So in case you guys don't know anything about swing trading is a strategy that focuses on taking smaller gains and short-term trends and cutting losses quicker. The gains might be smaller, but if you do them consistently over time, they can compound into excellent annual returns. And swing trading positions are usually held for a few days to a couple of weeks, but can also be held longer. So this is like an extension of day trading. Day trading can be a lot more risky than swing trading. That is why I personally do swing trading. And to introduce you to this concept, I do have this chart. This is of Activision. As you can see there, I drew a line of resistance and a line of support. The line on the top is a resistance line, the bottom on the line is a support line. So what you do in swing trades is you basically buy a good stock whenever it's at a cheap price. So as you see with Activision, over the years it has touched the support line through many different times, but as you see, overall the chart makes an upward trending pattern. So it always recovers from every single time it touches the support line. It always tends to recover. It always goes up in value as soon as it touches the line. So this is what swing trading is. You're taking advantage that the price per share is cheap, and you know that it'll go up over time. And 3 things to make sure before you swing trade a stock: make sure it has a good balance sheet, it has the good technical analysis, and it has good fundamentals. So this is why I always make sure I check these 3 things before choosing a stock to swing trade. Alright, and so with swing trading, so rather than targeting 20% to 25% profits for most of your stocks, the profit goal is a more modest 10% or even just 5% in tougher markets. If you do this consistently, these add up to a significant amount. These types of gains might not seem to be life-changing rewards, typically sought in the stock market, but this is where the time factor comes in. The swing trader's focus isn't on gains developing over weeks or months. The length of the trade is more just like 5 to 10 days. So in this way, you can make a lot of small wins, which will add up to big overall returns. If you're happy with 20% gain over a month or more, 5% to 10% gains every week or two, they can add up to significant profits. And the main thing behind swing trading is you have to make sure you understand reversals very well. By reversals, I mean when the stock price has been going down in value, you're not really sure if it'll continue going down or it'll start going up. So this is when 3 stages come in. Well, by the way, that's Hertz stock. This is a stock that I have swing traded. Before this, I wouldn't really check balance sheet and fundamentals, so I wouldn't recommend this stock. But this is a horizontal pattern. As you can see, it's very easy to see the lows and the highs. Basically, just buy at the lows and sell at the highs. And this is a stock that I have actually swing traded before and made a lot of money in it. But like I said, I wouldn't recommend it anymore because now I understand that the balance sheet and technical analysis is very important. So yeah, back to the 3 stages of a reversal. The first stage is going to be rejection. So it's going to continue dropping. You need to have a lot of patience because you need to wait for the moment where it stops, the price stops going down in value. Whenever it stops making lower lows, it's going to be in a phase called consolidation, meaning it's not really going up in value and it's not really going down. It's sort of just being steady. I think this is the stage that Activision is in right now. It's sort of consolidating, but it hasn't really gone to the last stage, which is an actual reversal. You'll know it'll be a reversal once it makes a higher high, and it continues to do that repeatedly. This is AVGO. This is a stock that I have swing traded before. I bought it in the red line right there, and I made profits as soon as it went up, and I sold it immediately. And what I love about AVGO is that it has an amazing upward trending pattern overall on the max chart. So basically, every time this stock dips or it goes down in value, I would always take the opportunity to swing trade it. As you see here, I'll show you the max chart, and you'll see why this stock is a winning stock. It always has an upward trending pattern. So every time you can get this stock at a cheap price, I would definitely do it and sell it as soon as it's you're at a profit. So yeah, that's swing trading stocks. I obviously can go more in depth, but I want this to be an introductory video to swing trading stocks. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. And again, thank you all so much for helping the channel reach 100 subscribers. I'm hoping we can get to 200. That's our next goal. So yeah, thank you all so much. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions. If you have any advice for others. Have you ever swing traded a stock? What was your experience like? Yeah, so let me know. Also subscribe if you're new to this channel. Like I said, our next goal is 200 subscribers. If you don't have Robinhood yet, what are you waiting for? It's a free brokerage where you don't pay any commissions to buy and sell stocks. I love the platform. It's available on iOS or Android. You can use this link that I have right here for a free stock as soon as you sign up. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.